Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people, in today's video, we want to talk about Foota hype, the viral king. Also, we want to talk about 1 p.m. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, aka Bro God, aka Pharaoh. So people, Foota hype style and this Andrew Holness in the wickedest way. Foota hype expose a whole bunch of things about Andrew Holness. Foota hype still a talk about Hurricane Melissa and the effect we have on Jamaica and how Jamaican people are struggle. Jamaican people are suffer right now. Jamaican people hungry. And Prime Minister Andrew Holness a move away. The man a move like a savage. The man a move like him no have no humanity. The man a move like him no care about Jamaican people. The way how the man a respond. The way how the man a move, the way how the man a behave to Jamaican people a suffer, hungry, homeless, no have food or water. It look like say the Prime Minister no care, none at all, and a whole bunch of people out here a bash the Prime Minister. All we see the Prime Minister a do, I take picture, I travel upon plane and helicopter all over the goddamn place and no care about Jamaican people. We see them a beat the Prime Minister. After the Prime Minister get over 400 generator from a country donate some generator to the Prime Minister, and the Prime Minister behave like say he want rent out the generator. The man say after everything go back to normal, he want back the generator them. The generator where the man get when should I not give to people and make as much people as possible get them generator there. The Prime Minister behave shaky, and we see people out here beat him and a cuss him cause a whole bunch of people now have light or power out here. Enough people would have glad for a generator, but the Prime Minister is a politician, and me tell you now, say politician will always behave as politician, and politician no love Jamaican people. Them no love poor people. The only time they care about poor people are election time, because them want win them seat for going to office so them can get pay, so them can get money, but them no care about poor people. The man have the generator them out here and behave away. Remember, say Jamaica supposed to get insurance money like 150 million US dollar. See, and that's supposed to go to the billing at Jamaica. So that's supposed to help poor people. Buy food, give poor people. Buy zinc and board and nail and steel. And them think they forgive poor people. And me I tell you now, Jamaican people now go see majority of the money there. Anytime them borrow loan from the IMF, me tell you this, a Jamaican people have to pay back the loan. A taxpayer have to pay back the loan. But anything for benefit Jamaican people, them now go see the benefit out of this. The Prime Minister are more shaky. The man a hold on pan a whole bunch of supply and aid when get figgy Jamaican people. And the artists them we see out here a try rebuild Jamaica. And the artists them we see out here mobilize and out here a help Jamaica. It look like the artists them and the celebrity care more about Jamaica versus Andrew Holness. Crazy people are say, don't send the aid to Andrew Holness. Send it to certain people where credible, where can get the resources to the people them. Cause it look like say the Prime Minister want Jamaican people to suffer. The man want Jamaican people to dead. The man hold on pan the generator. No, we not see the generator them are go to poor people. Remember before the hurricane hit Jamaica, the man said there was a disaster fund of $400 million. And the man I tell a member of parliament say each constituency I go get like $10 million. Remember, say the man have 400 million when not touch yet. Plus the amount of aid where people are sending. Plus the insurance money. Me I tell you now, Andrew Holness not care about Jamaican people. And I see some people in the comment section are defend him while people homeless, while people hungry, while people broke and no have no money. Me see Al Harris Chang I take helicopter, I go in a certain area, go visit the people them, and I take picture while the people them line up and feel to say a food in the helicopter where the blood clot here fly all over the place. I take picture and I visit the people them for when you not done assess the damage already and know where poor people are got through. Plus you don't have internet, TVJ, everybody out there. Bloggers are show the whole of the video them. Bloggers they right across Jamaica and TikTokers are show what go on. And the time when a man waste fuel, waste taxpayer money, we have to buy fuel. You know fuel expensive. Land in a certain area. At the same time, the man not bring no food. The man not bring no water. It better you dey load the helicopter a supply and send the helicopter go give the people them. It better the people them did a fight for food. At least would I know say some people wouldn't get food and water. But the man waste the resources, waste a helicopter ride fi go look pan poor people. Me I tell you now, them politicians and rate poor people. And me I go tell you now again, the money where them politicians make and have, enough of the artists them when we see out there I help people. Enough of the TikTokers them. Enough of the people them we are give back. No have them money there. Enough of the people them overseas we are send back clothes go Jamaica, shoes, chapaling, all different type of resources where them are send go back on them on the ground at Jamaica. Enough of them are struggling at the United States. Enough of them are work a 9 to 5. But them care about them country and them have enough where them can give back to them brothers and sisters in a Jamaica. I mean, I want nobody ask Jump Out TV production. So what me I do? Me have my family them at Jamaica where me have to send money to. Me have my family them at Jamaica where me have to look out for. Me have friends where me have to look out for. Me have people where link me and me have to do what me have to do. And I say, yo, MoneyGram open there so, this open there so, me have to send this go to the person that fee go there so. So me I try help and do what me can do. And every time me get paid, me do what me can do. Every time me go in a me piece of savings, me I do what me can do. And plus we out here talk. We out here put with platform for help people and look out for people. So them video here is not for views and likes, but we want the people them to view the video so the video can go out there. We want the likes for people can see it. Cause enough people in a certain area and we have to cry for them. And we have to ball for them. And we have to make them know say Innocent Elizabeth alone need help. Westmoreland need help. Trelawney need help. Montego Bay need help. And we have to put up certain videos and talk about where the people them are got to. But the Prime Minister and move shaky. Enough of the money I go get missed up. Enough of the money I go get scam. From day one, since Jump Out TV start make them video here, me say this is not about politics. This is not about PMP or labor right. This is about Jamaican people. If politics help the people them, make sure say the people them good, but the Prime Minister a move shaky. We see a place named Content in a Manchester. The place flood out. The house them cover underwater. And make Jump Out TV telling you this. The Prime Minister move shaky. Me lose half of Jamaica when it come to certain things what me feel to say Jamaica supposed to be independent and can deal with certain situation. Don't a content or no me no see the fire truck them. The fire truck them have pump on it. Foota hype out here say, where is the fire truck them? Foota hype out here say, where is the cesspool truck? The Prime Minister from Jump Street, me I tell you, say the man need to issue a state of emergency. The police them fi dey in every shelter. The soldier them need to mobilize a whole heap of heavy equipment in a Jamaica will work on the highway and work all over the place. Make sure you issue to everybody I know a state of emergency. We need every equipment out there. We need only for bring in the equipment them, we need the equipment them for use. Anything wrong with them, we get whole heap of donation, we can fix them. But we need the equipment them out there and mobilize everybody, call every cesspool truck company. You have a whole bunch of member of parliament, a whole bunch of secretary, a whole bunch of mayor, a whole bunch of parish councilman. We can go out there, go work. So if you put all of the cesspool truck them round the area and send them go down a Manchester, they so down a Content, down a Kirkvine, and plug in the truck them and start the pump and use the hose them. On could and pump where majority of water. Every day on go out there and pump where the water them. Enough of the spot them can use bulldozer, they can use tractor and cut the road and cut some gutter, cut some draining. The water would have run where already. At the end of the day, sun can dry up the water there. Bring the fire truck them out there. Load up the fire truck them a water and make them go certain place, go empty it in a some gully. Make them carry the water go some place, go let it go where water can run where. Send the whole of the cesspool truck them out there, go suck up all the water them pass and go let them go somewhere else. At the end of the day, me know enough pump that Jamaica. Enough of the water truck them will sell water at Jamaica have pump. If you put 10-15 pump, turn them on, run the hose, the whole of water, and you could distract the water and send it somewhere else or abstract the water, whichever way, suck up the water, pause and send it somewhere else. The man them have whole heap of hose. The water would have drained down already. The water would have at least contain. So if you no can't stop an area from flood, what type of prime minister, what type of fire truck company them ya, what type of water company them ya, on get the soldier them, make them start drive some tractor, fly over the area and see which part on can cut out a certain spot. The water would have drain we are ready. And the people in the community after make them own a drain and I make some gutter and we see the water runway. But at the end of the day, it look like say Manchester have a grid, and when Manchester flood out, that grid they activated where the Prime Minister go get more insurance money. A whole bunch of grid there in Jamaica. Remember, say they have St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Montego Bay, Trelawney. That's why it come up to 150 million. So when all of the grid them get touched, or all of the grid them activate, the Prime Minister have more insurance money to get allegedly. So at the end of the day, the man sit down and watch Content flood out, Manchester flood out. So that means to say he can make a claim. That means to say he can send in all of that, the information to the insurance company to get more insurance. When you have a car and your car damaged, you need the insurance people them to come look upon the car. Once them collect them information and everything, then take a car and make them pay out. So Andrew Holness need all of them disaster in a Jamaica to be visible. The man want the world to see it. The insurance company to see it. The more flooding where you have in a Jamaica and the more disaster and more it go kick off the grid, the more it go access the grid them, and the grid them will go off, and the more money you have to get. We not talk politics, we are talk for Jamaican people. The more people dead, the more dead body did it, the more junk fly up all over the place, the more the place stink, the more the place smell a certain way, the more the body them start decompose, the more junk, the more disaster, the more disease, the more bacteria, and the more money you have to get. And the more money the insurance I got trigger off. That's why the man now move fi fix nothing. Can want everything fi stay a certain way so he can make more claim. If he start fix up certain things, probably he go stop some of the insurance money when he's supposed to get and stop certain grid. So that's why them never go out there and try contain the water. Them leave the water fi do what it do allegedly so it can trigger a next grid. So you have a flooding grid now fi get insurance money offer. Cause imagine if you have insurance money pan a hurricane or you insure the island, you know say you go insure it for flood as well. You go insure for the road, the house them blow down, the people them dead, all of them type of disaster there. Wind, rain, water, flood, everything. So the more destruction in a Jamaica and the more insurance money. People, Jump Out TV production. Me a cook right now. Please, me a beg on you. Like the video. 200 like. Pan a video, yeah. If you love Jamaica. 200 like. So YouTube can send this a road. We not do this for money. We not do this for likes. We are do it for with Jamaican people them. Then could have been contain the water there. Cause me grow up in a Jamaica and me know say once the place flood out or certain place where water there, all you have to do is make a gutter. Once the water has somewhere to run go, the water now go build up. And if you put 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pump out there, if you pump where the water, it wouldn't build up to the level there. If you fire truck them did out there every day, a draw with the water there, it wouldn't build up. Remember, say no fire now go on in a Jamaica, where the fireman them there. You know how much fire truck there in a surrounded area, how much fire truck there Kingston, how much fire truck there St. Andrew, Spanish Town, Maypen, Mandeville. All of them fire truck there, send them a content. All of the cesspool company them, send them down there. So you are the Prime Minister. All you have to do is issue a state of emergency. Why the Jamaican Defense Force takes so long to mobilize? Why people out there get robbed? Why bad man out there rob supply? Because no police, no they on the ground. No soldier, no they on the ground. All of the area them were affected when I have light or power. Should I have police present, soldier present? This is like war in a Jamaica. This is a national disaster. The biggest one in a Jamaican history. How it takes so long to mobilize the military. Look how much shelter woman a get grape. Look how much shelter rob people. Me see Asafa Powell step and the man have to step with peer police and the police them have to beg the people them say don't stop nowhere night when you're safe. If you see one people come out, don't stop. Make sure you find a safe area if you not go stop. Cause crazy people out there are robbing people them. Why we're not intelligent or educated allegedly like the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister was supposed to be the greatest mind Pani Island. Him supposed to be the one who around the country. Why the artists them a move faster than him? Why the blogger and everybody and all type of people a think faster than Andrew? In my opinion, Andrew Holness sell out Jamaican people. Andrew Holness kill out all of Jamaican people. On a need to put down blow up politics and be Jamaican. Right now, Jump Out TV production a pro-Jamaican. Anywhere me go in the world, me rep Jamaican. You see me Jamaican flags all in a me carry there. Everywhere we go, we rep Jamaica. We love Jamaica. But what we see going in a Jamaica, a height, a wickedness, a genocide, a slap them a try slap where majority of Jamaican people. You know how much Jamaican people lose them life where them can't find all now, but the Prime Minister find time for dip on TV and everywhere. I wish me to see Prime Minister and I want water boot. Me not see the Prime Minister out there giving a package and no. Me not see the Prime Minister out there fling with a couple of board or zinc. Me not see the man out there with machete try do nothing. Yes, we know that him a Prime Minister and he's supposed to think about a whole bunch of things. But at the same time, he's supposed to do a whole bunch of things. I hit them pay you $26 million for. You get paid, so we not sorry for you, cause we have to go work every day, go do 9 to 5, and nobody no sorry for we. Plus we not get the money where you make. If me did I make $26 million, more than out there right now, I do crazy work. More than there everywhere. More than even take $1 million out of my pay and start buy up food and everything. As a matter of fact, more than use the $26 million and buy pay food and water, zinc and board and give poor people. Cause we know we have a way for thief back. And we know say if you give away $26 million, in can thief away 100. But them not care about poor people. That's why him not out there every day and clean, every day in a helicopter, every day in the pan TV, kind of care about poor people. Right now, we should have dip on the battlefield. We should have see the Prime Minister, just like how Mr. Beanie Man and Popcorn out there. I saw the Prime Minister should have out there, a drive bulldozer, a drive tractor. We not see him out there. I do that. So Foota hype there are exposed Prime Minister Andrew Holness and I make people them know say a whole bunch of people are gonna lose them land. A whole bunch of people will pass away and get dirt by the storm. The Prime Minister them are gonna take away them land. The smart city we're supposed to build in a Jamaica go build by all means are necessary. Them no care. It happen, they not care who are gonna lose them life. So the people them will live on some capture land and no have no papers, them are gonna get rid of them. And the one them will have papers, them are gonna force them to sell them land. At that Foota hyper say. Foota hyper say if them not want to sell them land, the PM them will come up with some law to lock them up. But who when not pay taxes how long are gonna lose them land. So right now, anytime a disaster happen in any country, people always out there a try invest. A whole heap of foreign company and corporation they in a Jamaica are go start buy up land and thief this and help people and trick people. A whole bunch of people are gonna lose them land. A whole bunch of people are gonna broke and hungry and have to tap out. So them all want help. So them have to go get rid of them land. Remember, El Salvador now have the worst prison in the world. And them build the world's greatest prison. Even the police them will work at the prison. The guards them, the warder them, afraid of the prison. Every prisoner in the prison get broken. The whole of them scared. Feed them life. Even the prisoner them afraid of the prison. And the same set of government will build the prison in El Salvador. Dep on the ground in Jamaica. Be careful. We not see them in the streets to help nobody. We not see them in no picture. We not see them in no video. All we know is that that Jamaica, them own a generator, them own a food, them own a tent, them own a everything. None of them no speak English or Spanish them speak. So how them are going to work with the people them if they don't have no translator? Plus, we not see them a work with the people them. So them down the path for them own a mission. Probably them a map out a place and draw blueprint and all of them type of thing there. Which place are the best place to put a isolated prison? We not trust them. Remember, so we see England donate around 2 to 5 million pounds to Jamaica now. But if build a prison in a Jamaica, them willing to donate 25 million. So them rather donate 25 million fi build prison, but 2 million or 5 million fi help poor people. Uno no see say them people are no love uno. Uno see say when they come to prison, them put everything in fi build prison. Them no love poor people. The man them rather build prison fi lock up with black brothers and sisters. Yes, some dirty junk or criminal that Jamaica, but enough people are criminal because they're hungry or them broke or they not have certain opportunity, and some of them just no care. They no matter the opportunity and the money where them have, them just frig up. But if them did a donate 25 million to help more Jamaican people and look out for Jamaican people every year, the country would have better. If them did a free up visa and run visa regular, enough youth could have fly out, go help them family and look out for them family. But when it come to help Jamaican people, them only have 5 million. But when it come to build prison, they have 25 million. Honestly, say them not care about poor people. But enough people say Foota hype chat too much and him this and him that. But at the end idea, pick sense out of nonsense. Don't pay attention to the messenger. Pay attention to the message. So Foota hype sometimes he get a whole bunch of stuff right, and sometimes we not agree with him. But even a broken clock is right twice a day. You can learn enough things from a madman. You can learn enough things from a child. You can learn enough stuff from a baby. But sometimes when we are talk with Jamaican people, they don't listen to it. But if we did white, then we don't listen to it. Or if we did in a jacket and tie. One thing they can't teach you in a school, a common sense, and common sense free. But a whole bunch of people not have it. Saying that's why Bob Marley say emancipate yourself from mental slavery. No one can free you, but you freeing yourself. That Bob Marley tell you now. So pay attention. Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe.